Hi, my name is Abhinav Thoda. I am part of Team 5, and for our project we chose to do option 3, which is face blurring with AWS. And just before I get into showing you the project, I just wanted to explain how to start the setup and have this project run on your local machine if you choose to. In general, you will need a few of the following dependencies like Git, Amplify, Node, npm, Cypress. But in general, you can follow our GitHub README page, which will have far more detailed instructions on how to set it up. This is our README for our project, and the README does have instructions just to show you how to run this on your local machines. But if you choose not to do that, that's totally okay. We have a website that's been deployed, and you can just click this link over here, and that should take you to our website, which is being hosted and deployed using AWS. Before I start the demo, you might be asking yourself, what makes our product unique? And we have two things that I think really help distinguish us. The first is the use of a one-time password for the client side. And this was a feature that we wanted to implement for a long time because we felt that most people do not really want to create accounts, and it's quite impractical to have to create an account with this website just to send one video or two videos. So with that reason in mind, we decided to go for a one-time password. And the second thing that we did was we really focused on making sure our website would work on a wide variety of devices. So hopefully you'll get to see these two things in action in our demo. Personally, I think that our solution is best for one-time submissions where there isn't a need for multiple follow-ups. So in light of this, I will be demoing two specific use cases. One is from the perspective of a doctor and a patient, where the doctor will just ask a preliminary check-in question and a patient will send a response, and if the doctor feels that they can help, they will then contact them outside of our website. Let's start by showing how a doctor would use our website for the very first time. Let's say that they're trying to enter our link and they are trying to enter a path such as request. And as you can see, they can't enter that endpoint because they're not authenticated. So they would have to make an account. And all of this is being handled by AWS Cognito. So they can enter their email and put a password. As you can see, there is a validation. And let's go create an account. And as you can see, again, I already have an account here. But as this is all handled by AWS, it should work. So, and yeah, let's just sign in. And I am now at the authenticated page. Okay, now let's show the general flow that a doctor would take. So the first thing is I'm going to sign in as a doctor, and I'll be greeted to our beautiful landing page, which will essentially describe what the web page does and introduce you to our team, and after which you can request a video. And on this page, it's a form where you get to fill out the instructions and send it to the patient. And so I'm going to send, as a doctor, I'm going to send an email to Jane, a patient named Jane Smith. Just to show you that the validation works, I'm just going to write a clearly fake email. And so that's an invalid email address, but also I'm just going to put a random gibberish instruction. And as you can see, we have a dynamic validation that can highlight and give conditions. So I'm just going to change this so that we have a valid email. So I'm just going to send it to janesmith@gmail.com, and I'm going to say, "Hi Jane, I heard." So as you can see now, we have the email that has been rendered, and I'm going to now send this and it's been sent. This is what the video request page would have looked like if the doctor had chosen to submit it through the phone. Okay, so we are now on the patient side. So I'm logged in as this is Jane Smith's email. And as we can see, there's an email with coming from John Admin, the doctor, and they've requested a video with the same notes that were submitted in the previous video request form. And we can see the verification code for entering the platform. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy, which should take me to the page where I can input my OTP. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But before pressing submit, let's just change the OTP just to show you that um, it doesn't work with wrong codes. So I'm going to enter back the right OTP and press submit. So now I'm going to be greeted with the recording video page with the instruction card showing the same instructions from the email. And they can record a video of themselves. And once they record a video, they can pretty much just press finish. And once they do that, they can play back their video and they have the option to blur the video. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and select the blur face toggle and I'm going to play back the video for a bit. And once I'm happy, I'm going to press the submit button. And that's pretty much it for the patient view. It's a pretty simple design flow and it's a very easy navigation flow. Hi, so I'm back on the doctor viewpoint as logged in as John Admin, and this is the dashboard. So we can see over here that there's an entry under the name of Jane Smith. So I'm just going to click this video and it should be my face blurred, and that's what happened. I'm just going to play back this video and it should load my video and start playing. Just going to go ahead and close it, and we have the ability to delete this video, so I'm just going to delete it and ask for a new submission. So that is the workflow, and that highlights most of the features that we've been working on. I'm just going to show you the card view as well. There's a card view. It's just another way to view the same submissions. In general, these submissions are organized by the date sent, and we can also do filters on them. So say I only want to find the submissions on the day of the April 2nd, I can do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. Or we can also do one where it's just submitted videos. So that is our Capstone project. Thank you so much for watching.